Today we're going to show you a fun way to have your veggies. And can you guys tell us what that recipe is? What we're making today, guys?
Veggie noodles.
That's right, we're going to make a veggie noodle salad. Are you excited?
Yes. No, veggie noodle pumpkin salad.
Anywho, I love veggie noodles and they have had it before. So let's get straight into the recipe. Stay tuned.
I'm hungry.
For our veggie noodles, we're gonna use 1
Cucumber.
and 2.
Carrots.
These are already pre-washed, guys. And then we're gonna just use our veggie peeler. So who wants to try? 3, 4,
5,
7, 8, 9, 10. Take off about 50% of the cucumber skin. So it has like a nice pinstripe pattern. Okay guys, so we have our cucumber and carrots prepped and ready to be spiralized. You guys ready for veggie noodles? Mwah. And you're gonna cut off all the rounded edges so that the spiralizer can grip onto it.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.
One cool thing about this spiralizer is that it comes with a suction cup feature which allows it to grip onto a flat surface. However, I've noticed that it works best on a completely flat surface like stone tops. We've got veggie noodles here. Isn't that awesome, guys? What do you think? Oh,
Look at that cucumber. Tastes good.
tastes good.
Tasty.
Take a scissors and just clip so it's a lot easier to eat.
Go, go, go.
Almost there.
Go, 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 Judy. Mash it. Bust it in
Yep.
and mash it. I look more faster than my brother because I'm stronger than him. Long. I want to try too. Also, show me.
Okay.
Cucumber now for the carrots.
All right, let's go. Carrots are a little bit harder to spiralize, but no fear. Put your back into it. All right, guys, so we've spiralized our veggies, and one tip we want to leave with you is that you could use the leftover pieces. You could eat them right now if you want, or repurpose them by using them in your shakes and smoothies, okay?
Eat it.
Eat it. Add your carrot and cucumber noodles in a large bowl and mix until evenly distributed. Then we are going to dress it up with a homemade peanut sesame vinaigrette. Wow, isn't it nice?
Yeah. Stretchy. Oh my.
For the dressing, we're gonna do one of my favorite peanut soy dressing, and to do that, we're going to add these ingredients together. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Add half a cup of smooth peanut butter. Next, we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of orange zest, about half a teaspoon of grounded fresh ginger, 1 clove of garlic, which was already peeled, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just pour that in. A tablespoon of coconut oil and also a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1, count. 2. Drizzle in about a tablespoon of honey. And about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Ooh. So we're gonna mix it. Okay, so I think we have achieved the consistency that we're looking for. It's nice and velvety, smooth and rich. I think we have got the perfect emulsification. So I think our sauce is ready to go on our salad.
Yay!
Yay. Pour in 1/3 cup of vinaigrette, but feel free to add more to taste. Yummy.
I'll tell you where you must do it. I'll tell you where you must do it. Here, 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 here.
We're gonna add some sliced Otati apples. You could use any sort of apple that you like, and we'll just mix that in for added element of sweetness. And we're gonna add some roasted peanuts and almonds. Put 2. Like so, and we're gonna just swirl it in the center of the plate. And then I have some brown butter pan-seared salmon that I did earlier, and then we're just gonna top it like so. Garnish the salmon with fresh cilantro leaves, and then drizzle some more vinaigrette around the noodles to give your dish that extra pop of intrigue. You guys wanna try? Yeah. All right, let's go. What do you think?
Delicioso. That means yummy. Excellent.
Okay, so now it's mommy's turn, right? All right, let's go. Thank you guys for watching this special episode of Sam's Food Chronicles with my little helpers. It was super fun, and I pray that this meal would be an amazing addition to your weeknight cookings with your family. It's not only delicious, but it's nutritious, and it will give you vitality and strength, and it's immunity boosting and all that good stuff. And remember to like, share, and subscribe so that we can grow, right?
Muscle.
High five. Woo! Bye.
No, bye. Make sure you don't give your kids lots of juice. Or cookie. Give them vegetables and if them not like that, give them more. And if they don't like
That's a wrap.
feed them. And then if they don't like it, just poke it in their mouth.